Blu Homes is a premium prefab home builder. Based in Northern California, we have been in business 10 years now with over 200 completed homes nationwide.
Blu's mission is to provide customers with thoughtfully designed homes that are full of light, affordable, green, and desirable. Through innovative technology-driven product solutions, we strive to give our customers a first-in-class experience that empowers them to complete their homes faster and more affordably than any other home builder in the industry.
Our homes are built to last, with the strictest safety codes in place for fires, earthquakes, and winter rainstorms. Blu Homes comes standard with features such as interior fire sprinkler systems, tempered glass windows, fire-resistant fiber cement siding, and optional metal roofs.
Blu Homes are amongst the greenest homes readily available in the world. We use only LED lighting, Energy Star rated appliances, low water usage plumbing fixtures, glazed and insulated windows and door systems, and an abundance of insulation all throughout the home.
Blu Homes is proud to be exceeding the Title 24 and Cal Green building requirements, which are some of the strictest in the world. Blu Homes is the fastest option for a high-quality, architect-designed, energy-efficient home. Our innovative designs were curated and engineered for efficient production and speedy permit approvals.
Our factory can build and deliver our largest homes in 8 weeks, with finish on site ranging from 2 to 6 weeks. The most significant advantage with Blu Homes is, while your home is being built in our factory, your site work is being completed simultaneously. This saves you many months in comparison to a traditional building process.
Being able to complete the site preparation, build the foundation, and then immediately bring out a home that is 85% complete is a tremendous schedule advantage that is only possible with a Blu Home. We are building a premium, architect-designed home with the most innovative, energy-efficient, and highest safety standards included.
Our pricing advantage comes with factory purchasing power and production labor, which allows us to offer very competitive prices. Architectural services are already included with our preset home models, saving you the typical design fees incurred in a traditional build process.
We have made building a Blu Home a breeze. We have interactive tools, a simple process, and comprehensive services that are the best in the business. A great place to start is with a fantastic tool that we created so everyone could have the ability to estimate their specific total project cost from the comfort of their own home.
Visit our website and click on Get a Quote. Check out our mobile-friendly version as well. By simply going through all the items available as options, you can receive an estimate that reflects your site development needs paired with your dream home design.
Our home building process is simple and straightforward. We start with Blu's focus on home design. Once you decide on a home model that works for you, we help you customize your floor plan details and interior finishes through a fun and simple spec selection process.
We also manage all things related to permitting, the construction of the house in the factory, delivering it to the site, and setting it onto the foundation.
Through our Blu Advisor program, customers are connected to a local construction professional to manage all aspects of design and construction services.
Through our site analysis service, you will receive a specific project estimate, schedule, a conceptual home design, and you will be connected to your very own Blu Advisor. This is a great next step for anyone that has land and is interested in building with Blu Homes.
A Blu Home is not your traditional home. It's innovative, it's smarter, it's safer. Blu is known for simple, clean, modern designs that bring the outdoors in. The open concept floor plans are flooded with natural light, fresh air, and perfect for year-round entertaining.
The Breeze House is our most iconic home. We designed it around our signature glass-filled breeze space to seamlessly connect airy, open interiors with the natural beauty of the outdoors. With the option for 3 or 4 bedrooms, this 2,200 square foot floor plan is the most optimized and harmonious Breeze House design we've ever released.
The Origin is a very cool 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. We crafted this floor plan around a large kitchen, living, and dining space with unbelievable access to the outdoors from every room. Due to its size, the Origin is very versatile and can be used as either primary residence or comply as a legal guest house on many people's properties.
Modern, flexible, and smart. The cabana is 600 square feet and allows for a variety of uses. With a standard-sized kitchen, laundry, and full bathroom included, the cabana is the perfect in-law unit or extended stay rental. It also can be transformed into a workspace, gym, art studio, or attach it to your primary home in order to achieve additional square footage.
The Origin 1900 is our newest and most flexible home. Every detail in this contemporary mid-century modern home was designed to fit the needs of today's urban lifestyle. The ability to convert one of the bedrooms into a rentable unit makes this home our most flexible and cost-effective.